Hey, this is Sascha, and this is how to get things done with Questmate. In Questmate, everything you want to get done is organized in quests. A quest can be everything, from a simple checklist, a form, a regular or irregular routine, all the way to a fully fledged interface that allows you and others to take actions right from the quest. Creating a quest in Questmate is easy, no matter if you create it manually or using the Questmate bot. To create a quest manually, simply start by pressing Create Quest in the sidebar, followed by Start Fresh. Give your quest a name and press Create Quest. Alright, let's give our quest a little welcome message to set the mood or pacing of our quest. We could also leave this empty, but why be square? A quest includes all the necessary steps to get a task done, quickly and efficiently. To add a first item to your quest, just give it a description. You can add more items simply by hitting Enter after the description of any existing item, or by pressing the plus icon below the existing item list. By default, new items are added as simple checkables. If you want to change the item type, press the Settings item on the top right of your item. You will be able to choose from a wide range of item types, like different text inputs, a multi-select item, file uploads, signatures, and many more. You can even create your own custom item types, like a drop-down powered by Google Sheets or a button to control a smart device. And to rearrange your items after adding them, simply drag and drop them around the list. Below the main items of the quest, you can add some optional on-completion items that can run or show up automatically after a quest is submitted. This can be used to either show a short thank you message, sending data entered to a Slack or Google Sheet, or issuing a little reward to your users for completing the quest. You can also add your own little scripts to run your own custom actions. Now that you created your first quest, it's time to take it for a first run. A quest run can either be started and assigned manually, shared and opened using a public link, or kicked off on a schedule. To start the quest run manually, simply press the Start Quest button inside the Start tab of your quest. You can assign a quest run to yourself or add one or more assignees by adding their email or mobile number. Press Run Quest to create the quest. Any assignees entered will be automatically notified. Your assignees don't need to have an existing Questmate account to be invited to a quest. They will simply receive a link and a code to access and fill out the assigned quest run. Alternatively, to start and assigning a quest directly or manually, you can also create a public link to let people go through your quest. For this, toggle the public link switch to on. The provided link can be easily copied and shared with as many people as you like. You can also show and print out a QR code for your public link. Open as well as completed runs can be reviewed in the Runs tab inside of your quest. To review a run, simply press the card of the particular run. If you added multiple assignees as part of your quest run, you can quickly switch between them using the controls in the bottom of the screen. And that's it! Now you learned all the basics of getting things done with Questmate. If you have any questions or suggestions on how to further improve Questmate for you, please visit help.questmate.com or simply drop us an email at hello@questmate.com. Happy questing!